Social distancing. What does it mean? We tightened the lockdown all day. Was it help to downside the COVID-19 spread? Who is going to follow all the social distancing rules after the relaxation? Often people over the age of 54 are die by COVID-19. What is the problem for me? If you have any one of these questions, or if the people around you had asked these questions to you means, this video is the answer. Social distancing is something that happens at least 6 feet between us and those on our side, even though we are all wearing masks. In that, one important thing to consider is the droplet nuclei. This means that as human beings, while we cough, sneeze or talk, a tiny drop that spread out of our mouths and nostrils, that is called droplet nuclei. Its size will be 1 to 5 micrometers. So 1 to 10 viruses can be sustained in a single droplet that comes out from one infected person. Okay, now let's find out what is the link between social distancing and droplet. The main reason for the spread of COVID-19 is that the droplet outflow from a person who is infected and immediately spreads to all who approach him without observing the social distancing. But when all of us stand 6 feet apart from a person and the droplet does not fly over 6 feet and never affects other person. So far, no vaccine for the COVID-19 officially has been found in the medical field. Most of the experts say it will take more days to find. So until we find a permanent medicine or a vaccine, we have to adopt a few preventive habits that are a form of social distancing. Now let's see the last 3 months COVID-19 cases details. All information displayed on the screen is officially released by the World Health Organization and Central Intelligence Agency. Those website links are listed in the video description below. You can also check. As of 15th of April 2020, the total world population 1,914,916 were affected by COVID-19. 1,791,906 were in treatment and recovery, and 123,010 have died. On 15th of May 2020, the total number of people affected by global population increased by 2,423,742 to 4,338,658. The number of treatment and recoveries increased by 2,249,633 to 4,041,539. The death toll increased by 174,109 to 297,119. But on 15th of June 2020, the total number of people affected by the global population increased by 3,484,631 to 7,823,289. The number of treatment and recoveries increased by 3,350,209 to 7,391,748. The death toll increased by 134,422 to 431,541. If you calculate how much percentage increases from one month to next, you will definitely get a shocking amount of information. Even if most of us followed the lockdown rules very carefully, the death toll and the number of victims also increased. What will happen if we don't follow the social human distancing? In the present scenario, the growth rate of the prevalence is 1.02 and the growth rate of the death is 1.02. On the basis of this data, before 13th June 2020, approximately more than 10 million people may get affected and more than 500,000 people are likely to die. The most important thing to be sad about is that most of the people die who are above the age of 54. 18.584% of the population of the world, in that 1,428,040,597 people comes under this category. Most of them have at least 20 to 35 years of experience in their respective fields. And there will be more than 54 years of life experience too. Should all of this be reigned without the use for the next generation? Finally, social distancing is a habit that must be pursued only by humans to prevent the spread of the epidemic, not to humanity. Please handle these situations with humanity.